What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working on the Huracan. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on it, and me and Casey are going to head down to... Where's Casey? Well, we gotta wait for Casey. Where's Casey?
I don't know, but we need to change the oil on this thing.
Oh, jeez. Casey, where are you? Well, we gotta go find Casey now. There he is. We found him. He was in the restroom. Casey, we have to go change the oil on this Huracan, so let's go pick up the parts and let's go get this thing started, shall we?
Well, what are you waiting for, Ty? Let's go, my friend.
First, can you guys change the oil on my shoes?
Brian! Bye, Eugene.
See you, bud.
So in this video today, we are gonna break down the cost of what it cost.
The cost of how much it cost, the cost of the oil change cost, and the cost breakdown of that cost.
A lot of cost breakdown in this video, where we're gonna break down the cost of what it costs to own a Lamborghini Huracan for the oil changes specifically. So without further ado, let's head over to Audi, where we're gonna pick up all the maintenance stuff that we need, and we're gonna go over
Audi.
Did I say Audi?
Yeah, because that's where we're going.
Oh.
Are you kidding me?
Sorry, Casey.
Wow, you cracked it.
So a lot of you may be wondering why, Casey, why are we going to Audi? Well, Casey, why are we going to Audi?
That's for you to tell him. I'm driving. That's not safe for me to not focus on the road.
So the Lamborghini Huracan and the Audi R8 are the same exact platform, has the same engine, has the same everything. So it has 8 drain plugs.
Yes,
Correct?
that is correct.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
So it has 8 drain plugs. So we're gonna go over there, get all the crush washers for that, get all the oil. It's a little bit cheaper to get it all from Audi. It's all the same thing. So we're gonna go to Audi, and that's why we're going to Audi.
And my friend works there.
My friend's in there.
Congratulations.
And his buddy works there. So it's gonna be a little bit better just to deal with. So that's why we're gonna go at Audi.
Let me run the card. I got those.
Casey, how much did they cost?
$110.38.
Well, it is bright as heck outside, but we have all of the stuff that we need. So Casey, let's head back to the shop and let's get this thing on the list.
And you're gonna change the oil, and I'm just gonna watch.
Well, we might not have a giveaway car after I'm done with it. So let's head back to the shop and let's get this thing on the lift, drain the oil, and let's go.
But I could run like the wind blows.
So Casey saw something that like caught his eye, so let's go check this thing out.
Take a peek.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, Ty. And it's manual.
Oh, could this potentially be a new giveaway car?
6 speed.
How much are they asking for it?
I don't know. A lot, probably.
What do you guys think of this GT3? Would you guys like to see this as one of our giveaway cars in the future? Let us know in the comments below. All right, Casey, so we are back at the shop. Let's go get this thing on a lift and let's go change this oil. All right, let's get this thing on a lift. Let's see how this thing sounds. She good? Good. So before you start, you want to open up your rear hatch, which Casey is doing right now. And just like that, you have your rear hatch open, and then you got to take off these right here, all this right here, in order to get to the oil cap right here.
Ooh, you're a smart man.
Oh, back to school to prove to Dad that I'm not a fool.
And just like that, there is your oil cap right there. You're gonna wanna take this off right here. And just like that, you have your oil cap off. So Casey just told me where the oil, where the oil filter was. and it is gonna be right here. So you're just gonna wanna crack that loose. Casey, what is it, like a 22 millimeter?
Definitely bigger than that. I'd say 24.
Okay.
Ish.
I heard it, you always wanna start small and then go bigger, you know? You don't wanna just jump right into the big one. So we're gonna try to get the oil filter out and then continue from there.
She from East Atlanta, so she like to get loose.
So the first step that you have to do is you have to take off all this undercarriage right here to get to the oil drain pans. So that's what we're gonna do first, is take off all this right here. So the common misconception everybody has about Lamborghini Huracans is that it costs thousands of dollars to do an oil change on. Well, that is simply not true, because we bought all the oil filter, and the crush washers for $110.38. But if you went to Lamborghini or anywhere else to get the oil change done, it's usually around $950 to get all that done. So you're saving yourself hundreds and hundreds of dollars by doing it yourself. And we're gonna show you today how to do your oil change on this Lamborghini Huracan for when you win it.
AV, line them up.
So when you take all the under trays off, now you're gonna wanna locate all 8 drain plugs, which could be the tricky part, because if you don't find all 8, you could accidentally overfill the oil when you do the new oil change. Correct, Casey?
That's why you check the oil level, right? You add a little bit and check it. Don't be a dipstick, check your oil.
Don't be a dipstick. Ain't that right, Levi?
Don't be a dipstick.
Dang, we spent $20,000 to do an oil change?
No, I saw the last comment was 4,000, so
You're-
it's $110 to buy the oil, so you guys can just give me the rest of that money.
So here is drain plug number 1, right in the middle of the engine. And Casey, use those muscles.
Tighten that hog on there, man.
String on it.
Thank you. Here is drain plug number 1.
Hopefully oil comes out. Hey, we found the right one.
So after you take that drain plug out, you want to put it in with the new crush washer and tighten it to the exact torque spec. Washer back
Watch
on.
your eyes, Ty.
Drain plug number 2 is on the back side of the engine right there. And
So much oil.
that's it?
That's it.
This baby waterfall of an oil. So it looks like we have this one now, and this one, and then if we come on this side, we have this one right here as well. And then we have 3 others to find, and I'm sure Casey will show me instead of me trying to find.
Well, this one, and then I don't know if you pointed out that one.
Oh yeah, I'll point out that
And
one.
then we come over here. We have one right here.
Oh,
Probably won't
okay.
be able to see.
Oh, I showed him.
And then this one right here.
Can't show him that one.
So let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So we're missing.
Some will have 7 to 8. It just depends on.
Does it depend on the all-wheel drive versus the rear-wheel drive?
No, it just depends on, like, some of them will have an extra oil cooler. So,
Oh, okay. Well, it looks like ours has 7 then.
yep, has 7.
All right, perfect. Well, we found all 7 now, and now we just gotta drain them all.
I think this would be harder.
I thought this was gonna be a lot harder. The hardest thing though is probably just finding the drain plugs, making sure you have the right plugs.
Yep, but the beauty, if you win one of these from us, you can just give me a call and be like, where they at?
Well,
Where they at, though?
the thing is now is that this
We
car,
mark them all, so.
exactly, but this car is ready to go now for the new owner.
Hey, did you see my text? Oh, you're good.
We're waiting to see if there's 8 drain plugs.
Can you see anything? There we go. Okay. So, on the drain plugs, is this oil or trans? Do you see where?
Oil.
This one is? Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Son of a gun.
I was like, we got.
So technically there's 8 oil drain plugs. Casey thought there was 7. There's 8. So sorry to goof you guys. There's 8 oil drain plugs, and that'll be shown here in just a moment. So we were on the phone with the other expert, Ty, not me.
The real expert.
The
Who
real
put
expert.
me in charge. Come on now.
So what did Ty explain exactly?
Okay, so the variant of there being 7 or 8 drain plugs, some of the Huracans do not have the cooler on the side. So we had a hunch that this was the last drain plug, but we wanted to double check with him because he actually worked on a race team with these cars. So that is our last drain plug. It looks a little deceiving because you have the engine up here and this is back kind of by the trans. So you never want to drain the trans. That'd be a
really bad
That'd be
day.
a fun one. So yeah, so we just got that one. So now we have all 8 drain plugs. So we were wrong in the beginning, but we're human. But we double checked, so good thing we did.
It's a good thing we did because it's better to be safe than sorry. So there is 8 drain plugs on this Lamborghini Huracan. Some of them have 7, as you know, as Casey just explained, some of them have 7, but ours has 8. It's better to be safe than sorry. So we're on now number 7 and number 8. So we're gonna drain the last 2 drain plugs, and then we have the chance to fill up the oil and then go from there. And there we go.
There we go.
Let's do it.
Done.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Yes, sir.
So I forgot to mention the tools that you need. There's really no special tools needed to do your Lamborghini Huracan oil change. The only thing that you're really gonna need is these triple square spline bit sockets, and you could get those off of Amazon. And the only other thing that you're gonna need really is this 32mm socket, and this was used to take off the oil filter. So those are the only tools that you really need that are technically special in order to get your oil change done on the Lamborghini Huracan. Just so you know.
Getting heavy?
Hurry, please.
You're doing great, son. Keep pulling.
Casey. Casey. Jeez Louise. This guy.
Oh my goodness.
I'm just holding this whole thing up right now.
You're so strong.
All right, so we have everything ready to go for the oil filter, and we have the drain pan. We have extra towels because it could get a little bit messy. We have our socket, and Casey is putting all the towels around it so that way we don't drip oil everywhere. Isn't that right, Casey? Easy does it. Wow, you made that look really easy.
Bam.
That was a pain to take off.
Just like that. Yeah,
So now we have the opening now for the new oil filter, and then what does it come with? It comes with the gaskets. Does it come with the little O-ring and all that stuff, or?
with the O-ring.
There we go.
And then the new filter.
Perfect.
Oh, just like that.
Put that one on.
This sucker in there.
Once you hear it click, good to go. And now just put it right back in. Oh, that was easy.
Easy enough, fun time.
Good job, Casey. Great job. So now when you have the oil filter back in, now is the time to put in all your oil back into the Lamborghini. And Casey, it is what, 9 quarts, correct?
9 quarts to fill this hog up.
Goodness gracious. So we have 9 quarts of oil sitting right over there, and we're gonna tighten the oil filter back on, back to factory spec torque, and then put all the oil back in where it goes, which is quart number 7.
You're good at counting.
And quart number 9.
Yeah, we're gonna put half of this in.
Check the levels.
A little bit, check it. Make sure you don't want to overfill her.
So now we'll put that back in, right in that hole,
Go in your home.
and then we'll check the levels.
30 seconds.
Oof, this is a tight fit. All right. turn off the car, and now we're about to go check the oil levels, make sure everything is good, and then if it's low, then you top off accordingly. Yeah. What do we got?
Perfect.
Perfect.
And then we'll let it sit for a little while longer and then check it again.
Guys, that is gonna do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now you know how to change your Lamborghini Huracan oil when you win this. Remember, there's only a few weeks left of this giveaway. We're gonna give you 500% bonus entries right now towards this Lamborghini Huracan and the $60,000 in cash. But remember, you have to go right now because there's only a few weeks left of this giveaway. Remember, all it takes is one entry to change your life forever. It's gonna be you walking through our doors to come pick up your car and the cash. See you guys on the next video.